Pattaya.
We're going to Pattaya. Come on. Morning, y'all. Right now it's roughly about 10:30 in the morning, and we're over here at the Bangkok Eastern Bus Terminal on Sukhumvit EKAMAI. So we're gonna go in here today and try to get a ticket to go down to Pattaya. So we're gonna hop on a bus and see how long it takes us to get down there, what the cost is gonna be as well. And yeah, let's see what's up, man. There we go. Let's see. How much to go to Pattaya? Alright, so it's about $5. They leave every 10 minutes. Vans are known to be kind of shady because they drive hella quick and stuff. And we're going to go see what's up on the buses and what the prices are and what time they leave. Let's go take a look. Come on. I need Lord Tour or Lord May? I need Lord Tour. This is also a van. By Pattaya Talai. 130 baht, $3.50. Huh. So we're like $5. We got $4. Here we go. Here's a bus. So this is 119 baht, big bus, first class. Okay, and leave at 11 o'clock? Yeah, so we gotta decide what's better, a van or a bus. Let's go to the back and see what these buses look like compared to the vans. Which one's safer for us? Bangkok, Pattaya. These look pretty legit, pretty big, pretty safe. So these are the little vans right here. Speed demons, you know, going 120 miles per hour. Sometimes they flip. So I don't think we're gonna be going on them because it's like rolling the dice. You just don't know. So anyways, let's go buy a ticket for the bus. So 120 baht, we're gonna take a bus. First class, seems to be the safest way. Leaves in 30 minutes. Hi, Sawadee Krap. Okay, Lincoln by Pattaya. 11 Mong Chao. So she's gonna hook me up. Okay, come on, Krap.
Bus stop number 1, right hand.
Okay, thank you very much.
Bye-bye.
All right, so we got our ticket and we're ready to go, man. Let's go to Pattaya. So the buses all parked right here. They all got their little stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're at number 1 right here. I believe this is the bus. So we just wait, chill, relax. That's it, man. Nothing much to do. There you go, sir.
Pattaya.
Pattaya.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
To Thailand, the land of million smiles, made it stop in Bangkok, so easy.
Alright guys, the bus is now just getting ready to take off.
In the pocket, I'll go to Pattaya. Pattaya, Pattaya. Oh, you love you, Magma.
Alright, we made it, and it is raining. So yeah, I think we're just gonna walk straight ahead and get on one of those little red buses or something, take us all the way down to the beach. So now we just gotta find it, which I think it's right here. This guy right here is gonna take us. Hey, Sawadee Krap. Where are you?
Pattaya Beach.
Pattaya Beach by Central, ใช่ไหม
เป็นท่าน festival เหรอ
ใช่ครับ
เป็นท่าน festival 30 baht.
30 baht. All right, so it's 30 baht, it's $1. So we got 120 plus 30, 150 baht. All right, $5. We will see how long it takes from here to get to where we gotta go. 30 baht to the beach, man. Looking good. Okay. We're sitting here in a bus and a bunch of people just came here. They're traveling from Vietnam. Hi. So when did you guys arrive here? How many days ago?
5 months ago.
Oh wow, for school.
That's why.
Pattaya, Pattaya. Pattaya, Pattaya. Took a trip to Thailand, the land
เท่าไหร่30 บาทใช่ไหม โอเค
so easy, so nice. It's too far for Phuket. With my money pocket, I'll go to Pattaya.
All right. Very nice people, man. Very nice people, I must say. Getting a nice massage. All right, you guys, we just made it here in Pattaya Beach, man. That was an awesome little experience, man. So we left the EKAMAI bus station. It cost us about 120 baht to get to the Pattaya terminal. Then we hopped on another 30 baht little taxi, and that got us all the way here to the beach. right in front of the Hilton Hotel, as you can see, which is the Central Festival shopping area. So all in all, we spent about 150 baht, which is about $5, to get right in the middle of Pattaya City. So, you guys are traveling, that's the way to do it, man. EKAMAI bus station, all the way to Pattaya Beach. Hope you guys like this video, man. See you all in my next one. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and all that kind of good stuff. Red Cowboy signing out. Bye-bye, y'all.